Yes, you guessed it correct. We are going to run Pocket Option Robot Alpha 1 Trader. You can download this robot completely for free. Just use the link you see up there, or just use the link you find below the video. This is a binary option robot that is fully automated. So just push start and that's it. Then it will run X. Will basically take trades when it finds trades. Also, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question, put them below the video. Also check out my free Forex Telegram channel. It's completely for free, of course, and will be free forever, and I post my Forex signals there. So if that's something you're interested about, check it out. So now let's start up Alpha 1 Trader. And just like that, 100 and how much? $44 in matter of. Okay, did take some while this time. But that's the thing with this robot. This robot will not take trade after trade after trade. This robot will only take trades when there actually are a setup for a trade. So you can download this robot also, link below the video. So with that, have an amazing day.